And as you can see, the waste pipe also van weld, so it will get glued, and that is what you call a job in town. That's just beautiful. That, you know, if it would have been a Banksy, that would have definitely been in it. There we go, it's coming together. The tray's in, always double check the tray. Make sure it's perfect. Make sure that it's silicone around the edges. Make sure it's all been silicone and clear silicone. And it is looking beautiful. So we've had to pack it out quite a lot, but as you can see, you've watched the videos and you've seen how we've packed it out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. Right then, his bathroom's done. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's like a job in town. Nice white tiles. You cannot go wrong with this. This will look like this in 20 years' time, and once we put all the black furniture on, it will be beautiful. So with the Bristol showers, they come with their own brackets. You've got a little isolator on there. But with the Bristol showers, they are very, very tricky for when you're pushing your pipe through and getting it the exact amount off the wall. Now I always make sure this is a stud wall, so I've got a bit of a play there, a 10mm play here. So what we're going to do here is, firstly, I'm going to clean the pipe. Hey, be strong today, boys. Clean the pipe. And you've got the fitting, and the fitting goes to about there. So now I can push that in. I know I'm going to have enough. Yeah, I've got silicone. Start lifting all the sink out and that.
Is that recording?
Huh?
Not recording.
It is recording. Get your pipe, push it in there, and then see what I mean about this. The olive doesn't go on very far. And you see how much it is on there? Tighten it back up. This is the best way. This is the best way, then you mark it like that. Yeah. Then you know, can you see? It's very short amount. See that? Mine's perfect. It's cut perfect to it. That is perfect, and that's where we want it. So all you want to do is make sure that that is in line with that, and it's 150 centres, and you cannot go wrong. Before we do that, we're going to silicone around that all there, then we're going to push the fitting on. Always silicone, always block the hole up. Don't forget to like, share and follow. On any job, what you need is a good quality tile bit. I've already put some timber behind there, so I know there's timber behind there, so I only have to drill through the tiles and then I'm going to screw into the timber. But you can get a pack of 10 of these tile bits, which I sell off my channel. Pay £15 into my PayPal, with your address and I will post you a pack of 10 out. You cannot beat it for the money. And these are only ceramic, but right on this. These will drill all day long in ceramic. You will never have an issue. Don't forget, like, share and follow. There we go, it's coming together. The tray is in. Always double check the tray. Make sure it's perfect. Make sure that it's silicone around the edges. Make sure it's all been silicone and clear silicone. And it is looking beautiful. So we've had to pack it out quite a lot, but as you can see, you've watched the videos and you've seen how we've packed it out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. So after you've put your shower bracket on and you screwed it in, the next thing is make sure you pull your copper out. Your olive, PTFE it. PTFE tape, like that. Always go around the olive, push it back on. Then we can tighten it up. To get the bracket on, this is vital. Make sure you're cleaned, yeah. Pull your copper out, yeah. Square it in the hole, in the hole, in the hole, in the hole. Any holes will go in the hole, yeah. Make sure it's all the way around it. This is vital. If anybody is not doing these, they don't know what they're doing, lads. Yeah. Then undo your olive, slide your olive on, onto it like that. Screw it in, whichever screws you're using. Get a bit of tissue, wipe my finger. This is my best shirt, you know what I mean? I can't afford a new one. Tighten. Tighten. What people do is they don't silicone them. Tighten, solid. They don't silicone them and then mortar travels, gets through that washer and then it'll go through that hole. Yeah? So then wipe it round. What we're doing is we're making perfection at its best. Over the screw holes. Very sharp that. Push it up, quick finger. Pull that out. Can you see how that olive there is off it, yeah? Pull the olive out. Get your PTFE tape on the olive. Tape the olive that way. Reason why we're taping the olive this way is because if you taped it the other way and you screw the screw on, when you screw it on there, it's going to unravel the PTFE tape. So because we screw it on this way, when you're screwing it on, it tightens the PTFE tape. Yeah? So a couple of beads around the olive there. This just guarantees it never to leak, yeah? Olives in theory should never leak, but olives have never had a person hanging on it. Do you know what I mean? In theory, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Next thing. Get that on, yeah? Screw that on. Bit of electric tape round the fitting, yeah? Because when we screw this on, nice. When we screw that on, if you haven't got 4 screws on it, get a pair of grips on that before you tighten that because you'll crack the tile. Yeah? I'm not because I've done it solid. Tighten. Tighten. Take your electric tape off. electric tape off, no marks on the black, and that is what you call a job in town. Now we've got these little isolators here, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn the water off, turn the water on, and then we're going to blow the shower out, then we're going to fit the bar shower after. Don't forget, like, share and follow.